Have you ever stared over the railing of a cruise ship at the endless blue and wondered what stirs beneath? The gentle waves glinting under the sun, the cries of seabirds overhead, and then a dark shadow moving with grace and precision beneath the hull. Sharks. Why do they sometimes circle cruise ships? Is it curiosity, hunger, or something more mysterious? Tonight, we dive deep into the ocean's secrets and uncover the fascinating reasons behind this thrilling phenomenon. Cruise ships have long captured our imagination, floating cities that carry thousands of passengers across vast oceans. But with every voyage comes the encounter with the untamed. Sharks, those sleek, formidable predators, are rarely noticed from above, yet their presence is constant. Experts and oceanographers alike have studied why these majestic creatures sometimes follow or circle massive vessels. And the answer is far more interesting than most people expect. It all begins with the noise and vibrations. Ships, even the largest cruise liners, emit low-frequency sounds through the water as their engines churn and propellers spin. Sharks have extraordinary sensitivity to vibrations, a biological trait honed over millions of years. Their lateral line system allows them to detect even the faintest movements in water, and the vibrations of a moving ship can mimic the movement of prey far below the surface. For some species, this is irresistible. They are drawn to the activity, circling curiously, scanning for potential meals. But that's only part of the story. Ships also create turbulence in the water. Massive hulls displace thousands of tons, generating currents and eddies that can confuse or excite marine life. Fish often get caught in these currents, and the presence of prey naturally attracts predators. Sharks are opportunists. They follow the flow, investigating disturbances that could signal a meal. And sometimes it's pure curiosity. Sharks are intelligent and inquisitive. A ship slicing through the ocean is an object of wonder in their vast blue domain. Historically, sailors and passengers have reported sightings of sharks near ships for centuries. From the earliest wooden vessels to the modern marvels of today, the ocean has always reminded us that humans share it with powerful creatures. Modern research confirms that while sharks can be drawn to the vibrations and smells near cruise ships, these interactions are rarely aggressive. They circle, they observe, and then they move on, graceful guardians of the deep, reminding us of the mysteries that lie beneath. What's even more fascinating is how different shark species respond to ships. Great whites, for example, may follow the scent of bait or chum left behind by fishing activity. Hammerheads often investigate out of curiosity, their wide-set eyes scanning the surface for anomalies. Tiger sharks, known for their adaptability, might circle both prey and objects alike. The ocean is their domain, and ships are merely visitors cutting through it. Sharks are also drawn by food sources inadvertently associated with ships. Waste disposal, discarded fish, or even the small fish attracted to a ship's shadow can act as a beacon. While strict environmental regulations limit dumping from cruise ships today, the natural behavior of marine life means there's always activity around these floating cities. A single cruise ship can act as a temporary island of life, attracting fish, seabirds, and yes, curious sharks. Safety is always a concern, but experts assure passengers that circling sharks are rarely dangerous to humans aboard a ship. A vast steel hull and sheer size of a cruise liner are far beyond the threat zone for even the largest sharks. What you witness from above is a rare window into the natural instincts of a creature that has existed for more than 400 million years. It's a reminder that we are not the rulers of the ocean, but visitors in a world governed by currents, instincts, and ancient evolutionary forces. Cruise captains and crew are trained to handle encounters with marine life. Navigational adjustments, speed changes, and careful monitoring of the water can reduce interactions without harming the animals. And for passengers lucky enough to witness a shark circling their ship, the experience is unforgettable. Some say it's a thrill rivaling any onboard entertainment, an intimate glimpse into the untamed world just beyond the hull. Shark sightings are more than a spectacle. They are a living lesson in ocean ecology. Each circling predator reminds us of the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. By studying these interactions, oceanographers learn about migratory patterns, feeding behavior, and even the effects of climate change on shark populations. Cruise passengers, often unaware of the science, become witnesses to an unfolding drama as ancient as the seas themselves. The thrill of spotting a shark while sipping a cocktail on deck is an experience few will ever forget. It's the kind of moment that makes you pause, look out over the vast, dark expanse, and marvel at the power and beauty of life beneath the waves. From tiny reef sharks near tropical islands to the giants that stalk the deep blue, Each encounter is a reminder of the mystery and majesty of the ocean. For those planning a cruise, keep in mind that sharks are a natural part of the journey. They are not monsters, but neighbors, and their presence underscores the importance of ocean conservation. Respecting the sea and its inhabitants ensures that future generations can experience the thrill of a shark circling a cruise ship just as vividly as today's passengers do. So next time you step aboard a massive cruise liner, remember, the ocean is alive, vibrant, and full of surprises. Sharks circling your ship are not a threat. They are an invitation to witness a world beyond the surface. A ballet of power and grace that has unfolded for millions of years. Lean over the railing, watch the shadows move, and take a moment to marvel at the incredible, mysterious, and enduring life of the ocean. And as you continue your voyage across vast, dark waters, remember, the ocean is vast, the creatures within are ancient, and every circling shark is a reminder that adventure, wonder, and curiosity await just beyond the horizon. Before we leave the open sea, take a mental snapshot. The next time someone asks why sharks circle cruise ships, you'll know it's curiosity, opportunity, and the mesmerizing dance of the natural world interacting with human ingenuity. It's a reminder that even on a ship built for comfort, entertainment, and luxury, we are never far from the wild, mysterious, and untamed heartbeat of the ocean. So next time you set sail, keep your eyes on the water. Who knows what you might see circling beneath the waves? The thrill, the suspense, and the raw beauty of the ocean await every passenger willing to look just beyond the horizon. If you enjoyed this breathtaking look at sharks and the open sea, make sure to subscribe to Travel and Cruise for more ocean adventures, marine wildlife encounters, and epic cruise stories. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a voyage into the unknown. Thanks for watching.